floor director.
Again, this Ruben Pocket marks such an important step in transforming the future of mobility in our inland waterways. So everyone, in round 3, we're officially gonna launch the MV Dalaray, Philippines' first ever electric passenger ferry. Everybody, let's do it in 3, 2, 1, go! There's the pilot, everyone, all together. Let's sail for innovation. And next, we are going to proceed with the ceremonial ship launching. And traditionally,
knowledge of the MV Dalaray.
No, we're advocating, no, and we hope that we can get partners from the private sector, and of course the appetite for our government agencies that really run the transport system around Metro Manila na talagang magamit ito. Siyempre, ang ating mga private sector ay magsusuporta lalong-lalo na kung maraming pag-order. Pwede rin ito sa mga ilog na malakas ang turismo, no? At sa bunganga ng mga ilog at sa mga lawa na inland, no, na walang ano sa dagat, yung matahimik, pwedeng gamitin. At actually may mga plano pa kaming gumawa ng electric boat in other areas, but definitely kung mapapabilis through the private sector, mas maganda.
Sir, how about yung electric Tranvia po that you mentioned earlier?
Yung electric Tranvia is all part of our roadmap. Kasama din ang iba't ibang mga universities dito. Again, ang UP is part ng electrical system. At yung body naman ay ginagawa sa Cagayan State University. It's part of our plan to really make Intramuros an example of a smart and sustainable space. Kaya ang suggestion ko noon, nung nakipag-meeting ako sa administrator ng Intramuros, ay gagawin nating electric ang Tranvia nila sa kasalukuyan kasi diesel. Mabaho, mausok, so halata mo naman pag gamitin mo to. And with that, they're also willing to procure additional, basta itetest muna natin.